Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine. Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix content not available on Facebook. So without any further delay, let's get right on the video. First method is to check if you have been blocked. One of the most common reasons for this content isn't available right now is you may be the specific user whose post you want to view has blocked you. Then you can visit the profile by just following my steps. Simply go to Facebook at first and then go to the profile of the person that you want. Simply tap on the name of the profile, and if you can visit, then that means you are not blocked. So now next method is what you have to do is check if you are logged out. If you are logged in, then a page like this will show, that means you are logged in. And if you are logged out of the account, it will show something like this. I'll just show you by logging it out. It will show something like this, and check if it is showing like this, then simply log into your account. Now what you have to do is simply log into your account now and check if the content was deleted by simply going to the post. Now as you can see there, this is the post, and if it's still in the post, by simply tapping on the profile of their page, as you can see there is one, then that means it is the post that is not deleted, and the problem we are facing will be solved by simply searching for the post. Then there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to comment down below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for tuning in, and until then, goodbye.